All right, everybody, Jet Scott here from Scott's Beach Shop. Anna is filming, and today we have a non-sponsored product that I have to share this. So, as a YouTube creator, every once in a while I'll go through my subscribers and just see, you know, the long-time subscribers, see who's got the bigger channels, and sometimes I'll click on you guys and see which channels they have, maybe add to my repertoire. Well, one guy has been a long-time subscriber, I don't even know if he still watches, and I can't remember what his dang YouTube, Lukat Fix it, right there. And I just clicked on his channel and I saw him at like a scrap yard, and he was taking his home brew of color and gloss restorer polish. And he went to this old clapped out, I think Ford Torino or something, and it had this really crappy jade green looking paint. Put this stuff on there, wiped it, and it's like those gimmicks you always see at car shows and swap meets and stuff, where that guy, he's got like the perfectly polished section of panel, and then he's got like that shitty one from the scrap yard. It's like that. And I was like, holy crap, that stuff worked really well. So I was like, let's buy a bottle. So I bought a couple of bottles of the paint cleaner and some of his wax. Let me show you what I did earlier today. So my satellite, this is a rattle can paint job, literally like gloss enamel from Walmart, just literally the cheap stuff. This car like 6 or 7 years ago. You see the paint's flaking off, but look at this right here. I mean, just walk around it. I mean, the paint is legitimately like, it's butter smooth. You can't
It's
even.
super shiny compared to the rest of the car.
Yeah, if you just listen, it's no noise. You come over here, it's freaking incredible. Not sponsored, but hey dude, you made a killer product. And let me show you one more. This is freaking hilarious. This old Dodge truck has got 3 different paint jobs on it. This looked like red oxide primer when I started. It literally looked like this. Or up in this, all this. It was freaking the original red paint. And then you come over here to the other paint job where it was painted yellow, polished it up. And then this later green brought it right back out. That's a product I can stand behind. I just wish I had a big buffer or something, because doing all this by hand, it's a lot of work. But don't take my word for it. God, I sound like an infomercial. Let's go to Anna 68D100, and that paint job is horrible. Like, if Mako was like the subpar standard of paint jobs, this wouldn't pass their quality check. So let's go do this in person.
Well, let's take a look at it before we do it. Real quick, like.
What do you mean?
Take a look at the spot.
Oh, okay, I see what you mean now. You mean basically, Jed, get your big butt out of the way and let me film.
Pretty much.
Okay, are you
Except
done?
your butt's not that big.
I have a flat ass. Anyways, are you done?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so literally, this is my rag for cleaning paint. This was from the truck, and this all was from the satellite. So I'm not even gonna really change pieces. I'm just gonna find me a nice clean little section. You're either application on the product or on the towel kind of guy. Well, this is the style kind of guy I am. Don't want to do too much in one go, but
Oh shit.
this is not a freaking infomercial. The guy, like I said, I don't even know if he is still watching my channel. I just see he's still subscribed. And I never called him. I could have. I never did anything to contact him and let him know I was doing this. When I find a good product that actually works, I will happily show it off to my viewers, because you guys deserve to know what products are great and which products are freaking junk.
Dude, you can see the difference on the camera.
And I mean, you're watching this in real time, for real. Like, I'm gonna be the next freaking Billy Mays.
You're as cute as Billy Mays.
I think that's a good thing.
It is.
Look at that.
Ugh.
That's all oxidized paint coming right off. The trick part now is trying to find a spot of this that's clean. But it's not a wax or anything like that. He's pretty adamant about that in the video. So we could stop right there and that'd be pretty good, right? Well,
yeah.
it's not good enough for me.
Oh, that almost looks like a person.
Like a cinnamon roll is what I was going for.
Kind of look like a face to me.
Oh. All right, Anna's demented, everybody.
That was in question?
Oh, yeah. I guess that's true.
I don't think I've ever seen my truck shine.
You're about to, because we're not even.
No, like, it's shining on camera.
And this is just cleaning the paint.
Yeah.
This is almost like a liquid clay bar in a sense.
Jeez.
But clay bars don't really remove paint or oxidation, they just remove junk.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not much of a body man anymore. I apprenticed when I was out of high school. Never really paid attention. It was just not my thing. So already, I mean, now it's kind of, you can tell it's clean versus this.
Yeah.
So now we're going to
feels smooth.
This carnauba wax of purple greatness. Now, for any of you people who were born in the 90s like myself, early 90s.
1993, best year ever.
Heck yeah. Alright, I'm feeling very, very YouTuber-y. But anyways, my point I was going to make is anybody who was around my age, maybe a little bit younger, maybe a little bit older, you will remember the brand of sunblock you can buy at Walmart that was purple. And I always had that stuff. The only problem with it is it turned you purple. Yeah.
It did?
Yeah, it turned me purple.
My sister used to always get that stuff, but she's like white as a ghost.
Yeah. Pretty fair skin. So is your sister.
I never got sunblock.
White is never the best paint for showing this off because white never has like a real depth to it.
This isn't white though.
Well, no, it's more of an eggshell.
But yeah. Look at it. You can definitely tell. Even on camera, look at it.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, we could probably go to Dad's WD over there and clean a spot on it. In fact, Anna, go show a little piece on that hood. We're going to do that off camera.
Okay. Alrighty. Look at this WD. Oh, it's pretty rough.
It's old paint, but it's still got a little sheen to it.
You can see the dirt.
Yeah. Alright, we're going to do this real fast, and we'll show you in a split second. So, that.
Okay.
And then pause it.
Look there.
And that's the difference. I don't know if I see much. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can definitely see it from over here.
Yeah. I
Let's
mean,
look at the...
it's an odd color.
It is an odd color, but...
It's early Alice Chalmers orange.
Yeah.
It's a really odd color.
So, this is the side he did, and that's the side that we left.
If that's not obvious to them, then it's not a very good product.
Oh, it's quite obvious on camera. I just wanted to, you know...
Point it out?
Yeah.
Well, anyways, I just want to showcase a little product for you guys. If you have any interest, I am seriously not sponsored at all. This is pretty good stuff. I'd recommend it.
Label.
Yeah, look it up. He's got a YouTube channel, and he's got links to it. I might throw a link up in the description. Like I said, not sponsored again, seriously. But look at that, it won't even stay up there. It's so slick. God dang, dude. I don't know what you did, but stay. Careful now. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. Maybe it helps someone, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. Anyways, a little bit of shout out for Anna in the comments for doing either good camera work or really crappy. I'll know in a second when I start editing this.
You're going to say it's crappy.
Probably. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Look forward to seeing the next one. As always, take care and...
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.